Hi, my name is Daniel Unibio. My favorite singer is Maluma. This presentation is about Maluma. Go. He is Maluma. His name is Juan Luis Londoño Aria. He is a Colombian singer, reggaetoner. He is 24 years old. He has one sister. His name is Manuela. His parents are Mary and Luis. Maluma has two pets. They are so beautiful and their names are Bonnie and Clyde. Okay, daily routine of Maluma. Entonces, he wakes up at 5 o'clock and then goes to the gym. He likes to be disciplined, respect to his routine. He goes for days per week and makes for exercise by sons. Next. When he arrives at her house, he takes a breakfast and takes a shower. After he does the dish and dress up. He uses pants, shirts and shoes of Dolce & Gabbana. Next, Maluma prepares his concert. He rehearses his song and his dance. Maluma goes to press conference to tell of his song, his likes, his goals, and days of his concert. Usually, he takes healthy lunch at 2 o'clock. He likes kitchen, vegetable, potatoes, with weather as he goes at the office. He works much. At 9, Maluma prepares to give the concert. He takes pictures with the fans. And before he sings his songs, his concert begins at 9 o'clock. He sings 20 songs. His presentation during 3 hours. His preferred song is his name Me Llama Remix, Sin Contrato, Carnaval, whatever. And finally, he goes to sleep at 12 o'clock. Thank you.